Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm doing a little cleaning today on my toilets. I do this every week. I get a toothbrush, you guys, and I clean all the crevices in here and all around at the bottom of the toilet and around all the crevices, things that we usually miss, especially if we just wipe down. You got to do more than that, guys. You got to get that toothbrush and get inside those grooves, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. So this what I use, you guys. I use the Awesome bathroom cleaner. Okay, it helps with soap scum and stain remover. Once again, I got this at Dollar Tree. It works really well and it smells fantastic. So what I do, spray it down really well. And especially if you have boys or men in your house, sometimes their aim can be a little off. But you got to do more than a wipe down, okay? Excuse me. So here's my little toothbrush. And what I do, I get all in there. And while you're cleaning, it smells awesome. All around there. Just like brushing your teeth. Y'all get all in there. So how are you today? I hope all is well. So what I'm doing, a little spring cleaning, a little at a time. I don't have a lot to do, but one thing I noticed with me, I have a lot of paper. So, okay. Let me show you guys back here. Yeah. Pop this open. Get all up in there. I have a lot of paper, like I was saying. So I've been throwing out paper. And you can actually see what I'm talking about. I hope you guys can see it because I can't see the camera. You get all in here. Okay, you can see that. And that's how you get in there and clean your bathroom. So I have to do 2 of my bathrooms like this. Get in there and get it. Okay. Okay. And I have my little rag. I have a rag for each bathroom. Okay. You go in here and you wipe it down. And you can see, I can just look at it and see the difference in it. Sleep. if you want even a deeper clean, guys, you can take your toilet seat off. I don't have a lot of guests at my home like that, but every 3 months or so, I do take the seat covering off and really do a deep clean. Do a deep clean, you guys, and make sure all of this, let's see, can you see that right there? See? That's what happens when you do a deep clean around your toilet. You think your toilets are super, super clean, and they're not. And I like my stuff clean. I do. That's why a lot of times when I go out, I do not like to use public bathrooms. I do not be dirty and stuff like that. You don't know what's lurking around them. So, yeah, you guys. So, that's that. So, make sure you go out and get you some Awesome. They get all different scents and all different colors. And make sure you do that deep spring cleaning on toilets. And I thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.